Hello, welcome again to my YouTube fam. This is me, Dr. Uma. You'll see me for the first time on this particular channel. I talk about health, okay? Everything about your health. Health and happiness is my goal in this particular channel. Feel free to subscribe for more health videos. So today I just want to tell you some reasons why you are not losing weight. Or I would say, I will rephrase it and say, I want to tell you the reasons you are adding weight. And despite what you do, you see that you keep adding weight, okay? I just want to point out some things that you may pay attention with, you may pay attention to, and probably they may be the reason. Okay, so let's go dive into it. Number one reason that you as a lady and you as a lady, you're not eating that much, and yet you see yourself adding weight. And some people who eat, and yet they are not even adding weight. And you may be asking, what may be the problem? Let me tell you some of the problems and some of the reasons you're adding weight, even when you do not intentionally want to. Okay. And before I even continue, this for purpose of this video is for people who body shame other people to say you're fat, you're this, or you're that one. I want to tell you that people may just be going through a lot. They will not even understand what is happening to them. Obviously, because they are not doctors, they do not have medical knowledge to say this is what is wrong with me. Okay, so please, next time you see somebody whom you think is on the high side, be careful with your thoughts and what you say to that person. The person may be going through a health challenge. Oh yes, let us dive into it. Number one, as a lady, is PCOS. Polycystic ovarian syndrome is a hormonal disorder in your body, okay? And when you have this condition, you may just be adding weight, okay, even when you do not want to add weight. So your doctors, however, there are other associating symptoms, to this, okay, that may make you think about it. But see, PCOS for a lady may be the reason why you're adding weight, okay? So you can check that out. I'll be talking about that in my coming videos, so subscribe if you want to see. So that is number one. Number two is when you have issue with the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is a gland here in the neck that produces hormone called thyroid hormone. Now, it can be a hypothyroidism, which is to say that the level of this chemical in the body is decreased. And when this happens, you are not, this chemical helps with body metabolism, so you begin to add weight, okay? So some people who are adding weight may be having issues with their thyroid gland. Now, in this thyroid gland, when it produces more of this chemical, the person will be losing weight without knowing. So you see, when it is down, you add weight, and when it is up, you lose weight. So check out your thyroid function. The next one is maybe having issue with your diet. You're not eating right, okay? And when you are not eating right, you tend to add weight. Not eating right may not just be about the quantity you take, it may be the time you take it, right? It may have to do with the quantity, and it may also have to do with the food you eat. I mean, the things you eat, like the things you eat, and at different times that you eat it. Okay. Another thing that why people are adding weight can be psychological disorders. Okay. People who have low mood, say depression, can dive to eating as a way to help themselves out. And sometimes, do you know, okay, before I come to that, so people who have low mood can go into depression, and people with different psychological disorders can have different eating disorders, okay? And then when they have eating disorders, like they will binge eat and so on. So they keep adding weight. So you see, there are different reasons. So imagine you that want to body shame somebody because you think that the person is fat or the person is on the high side, and this person is going through psychological disorder, and possibly this person is have low mood, and then you say those things to the person. How do you think the person will feel? You would have added to somebody's problem, okay? Another thing why people keep adding weight is this one will surprise you, is stress. When you are stressed, you release the stress hormone, which is what cortisol, hydrocort. And you know that, oh, that reminds me. However, so hydrocort is the cortisol is the stress hormone, right? Now, when there is accumulation like chronic stress, you can be adding weight and yet you're stressed. Yes, Yes, you can be adding weight and you're stressed. So pay attention to stress. We'll be talking about it later. We'll be talking more about stress in my coming videos. Have you subscribed? Have you liked? Please share to your friends, okay? And for more health what video. Another thing why people may be adding weight may be the medication you're taking. You may be taking a medication for a different health condition and you're adding weight without even knowing. So if you're taking a medication and you're adding weight, please check the side effect of that medication. Did you learn something from this video? Yes, I know you did. Please click the like button, leave a comment for us, ask your question, and I will see you in my next video. I love you. Bye. Mwah.